Well, I was thinking about it, but I figured something would happen. It's a nice right in front of her.
You can take that little statement anywhere you like and how it feels. I'm just going to keep moving.
This was the spread tonight. It was absolutely incredible. The people in the kitchen were amazing, timely, and so good. Who here's full? Who's all full? You guys full?
Yours won Tampa Bay.
Who's full?
Tampa Bay did not.
You guys are.
It's not one of the series.
Happy Planet was ready as green.
Hello, how are you today?
Not too bad. How are you?
Excellent. How was the food?
The food was fabulous.
I know, isn't it? And then there's Kitty, like, wondering, where's my plate? Yeah, there we go.
Mia? Where's Mia?